Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another bulk box, which I'm excited about. Spent $100. Let's see what's inside. All right, so we're gonna get into this box. Just before I do, I wanna give a little plug into, I've got some mystery boxes for sale, and it's all brand new products in the mystery boxes, except for the one that has World War II memorabilia in it. So check out my mystery boxes on my eBay store. So check the link down in the bottom. If you're looking for my eBay store, it is under Hooked on Pickin. So if you check Hooked on Pickin eBay store, that's mine. So let's see what we got in here. I spent $100 on it. It's uninspected returns, which has always been a good category for me, but sometimes it's a little bit, let's see what kind of condition we got. All right, so I felt like I could make some cash on this one. This is an instant salad bowl. Sorry, do I have it the right way? Oh, so you put the lettuce and everything in there and then you can cut through the slots. Hey, that's nifty. I have to use that now that I'm on my healthy eating plan, losing weight. A can opener that is not brand new in package, seeing how they decided to demolish the packaging, but it is a can opener nonetheless. So that might go on eBay in the condition that it's in. I obviously won't list it new. This is a pineapple slicer and wedger. So you spin it and pineapple slicer and wedger. Let's see what else we got in here. What is this? I have no idea.
It's an earring.
It's a giant earring. Yes, a giant earring. I don't know. Do you put liquid in here? Is it like a flask? Oh my word, that's what it is. It's like a cool. It's a bracelet slash flask. So, just in case you need to hydrate yourself, because you would put water in it. I know that's what all of you would do. Water, H2O. All right, what else we got in here? Preschool Prep Company. We've got Learning Series DVDs, brand new in package. I like the look of this. If you look, there's a bazillion of them in there, so I'm excited about that. That's definitely an Amazon-worthy item. I will do a breakdown after this to show you everything that I find. This is a heavy-duty non-stick one-liner. It's basically a liner to go under the rack in your oven to keep your oven clean. Let's see. Portable silicone wine glasses. So I'm sensing a theme here. We have a bracelet flask and wine glasses to put H2O in, because I know that's what you put in those. All right, we've got more of those silicone liners for your oven. Let's see. Hey, hot shapers. If you've seen one of my first bulk boxes, I sold a bunch of these hot shapers. They're like little, kind of like they're slimming things where you put them around your waist and, you know, you sweat to death and get all skinny. I prefer to just eat healthier. All right, Power Style, energy saving. It's a light thingamajigger for your bike. It's a Army Gear Lumen Tactical 2-pack of flashlights. Tactical flashlights. A cup with nothing on it. Just a plain board. Oh, wait. Press here. I don't know. To activate cup, press firmly on the dot shown on each side. It'll glow and shake. Sweet. All right. A glowy, shaky cup. All right. A pan. A copper pan. These are really popular right now, and they work really, really well. So I might have to keep this one. Unless you want to buy it, then you message me in the messages. We'll set up a sale. So anything that you guys see in this video and you want to buy, you'll save me the time, and I'll give it to you at a little bit of a discounted price, simply because then I won't have to list it. I can just do a PayPal transaction with you guys. This looks like a duster of some sort. It's got a handle and fluffy little thing. Alrighty, this is Lulip umbrella. It's an umbrella in a case that looks like a bottle that's completely cracked and demolished. See? So sad face. That one's broken, but it looks like there's another one in here. But I'm sure there's nothing wrong with the umbrella, so I'll probably just keep the umbrella. Oh, there's another one in here. We'll have to check the condition of that one. Alrighty, what else we got in here? Oh, look, I can make a set. It's a set. I can wear one on each wrist and be very hydrated with my H2O. All right. I know, I'm beating the dead horse with that goofy joke. Okay, here's some more of those oven liners. Hopefully those sell well. These are Nonstick oven liner, a different brand of oven liner. That one's at least in a decent box. 4-pack of ice cubes, like those little freezer. They're like the gel packs you get for your cooler, but they're ice cubes. So, yeah, you throw them in the fridge and then you can throw them in your drink and then your drink doesn't get watered down. What in the world? Extra large forest creature for your pet. I don't know if you stuff it with something. I think you stuff it with something, but it looks like some sort of a creature for your pet. It's a pet toy. All right, what else is in here? Oh, there's more. We've got a badger. I think that was I don't know what that was. We've got a duck or something, dog, and looks like a skunk. So a bunch of those fuzzy toys. Those look fun. They're brand new. Okay, this is made in China. I have no idea what's in this box. Should I open it? All right, let's open it. Let's see what's in the box. Where's my box cutter? It got lost on the table. All right, I don't know what's in that box. We'll find out later. I don't know where my box cutter went. All right, we've got hefty, okay, this is, let's come over here so I can figure out what I'm doing here. There's my box cutter. All right, let's see what's in this skinny box. It's taped up really well. Another box. It's actually a non-broken umbrella that comes in the bottles. So it's got the fancy little thing. So awesome. I'm excited that one of those is not broken. So that one's brand new. So if I find any other boxes that shape, that's probably what they are. Here's another one. And this one, I'm not sure what's in here. This came together. Let's see what's in this one. This is heavy, whatever it is. Almost feels like it's dice or something. It is Aesthetics Naturals Therapeutic Grade Essential Oils. Let's see if I can get it open. All brand new except for these two. So I'll have to look at these and see if I can sell these individually. Whew, I can smell the ones that are open. Woo, those are strong. Look, they were nice. They put it in this bag so they wouldn't spill all over everything. Yay, go bulk. All right, let's see what else is in here. I'm assuming it may go with the essential oils, whatever it is. Yeah, it's some sort of, it's like a diffuser thingy. So you put the essential oils in the bottom and then it like vaporizes so that you can inhale them, I guess. So let me put everything back in there. All right. Replacement filter. We've got drinking straws, stainless steel drinking straws. Those are kind of cool. Cuisinart flatware set, a 20-piece flatware set. That is heavy. Let me see. Cuisinart has really nice. These are, I think these are more drinking straws. Yep, these are more drinking straws. Drinking straws. Drinking straws. Drinking straws, straight ones. Another pan, the next size up. Move this down a little. There we go. I'm running out of room here. All right. Filter. Clever cutters, scissors. Some food trays. More Cuisinart flatware. A flatware box that opened and fell in here. So here's some more flatware as well. So it was a box this size that opened and all the flatware is wrapped. It just came out of the box. More drinking straws. What is this? some sort of a case of something. Almost looks like tools or some sort. Looks like you wear it on your belt, whatever it is. What is this? Knives. Sweet. All different sorts of knives. Need a knife? Need a knife, anyone? They're all the same size. That's cool. So kind of like a hunting set. Those are cool. All right. More knives sets and a little peeler. More of those ice cubes. Some brand new knives here and more drinking straws. Here's another straw. I need to get taller. This is, one of those mats, oven mats. Another pineapple peeler. More drinking straws. 2 little squares. What's in these? What's in the mystery? What is that? I think this is a makeup sifter of some sort. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's magnetized. Please correct me if I'm wrong, if that's not what it is, but I've got 2 of them.
Does it say anything on the box?
40 millimeter grinder gold. So it's a grinder of some sort. I don't know what you grind with it. Please let me know because I'm not sure. And if you guys tell me, then I know exactly how to list it. But both of them are brand new in the package. So it just says 40 millimeter grinder gold. So more of those ice cubes. Ice cubes. Oh, they're lighted. They're lighted ice cubes. They light up. Awesome. This is like a party box. Curtain, brand new. The match to it, 2 sheer curtains, which is kind of nice because sometimes when I look up stuff on Amazon, it comes in a 2-pack, you know, especially those kinds of things. So I'm just going to move this silverware over so that I can get to the other things. I will rebox that all beautifully. All right, pick a color, any color, collapsible straws. So they come in little cases. If you can zoom in on this picture, that kind of shows you what they are. Collapsible straw. So I guess you carry them if you're a straw drinker. There you go. Not sure what this is. This is some sort of a filament wire. It looks like a fiber optic light. We've got a box of filters, a 3-pack of filters. Like I think these are like refrigerator or under the sink filters. All right. There is a lot in this box. Tons in this box. Sorry, my alarm is going off on my phone. All right. Sorry about that. All right. Another filter. And then this is cool. Thermo Lux dish. A 3-piece set. Comes with lids, stainless steel interior, interlocking lids. It keeps food hot and cold. They're basically like thermoses, but they're travel ones. So this would be perfect because I like to go to potlucks. All right, I'm going to put that back in there, but this is a 3-piece set that only has 1 piece. So it's like a spatula. Here's a really nice knife set with the block of wood. DuraCut 29-piece knife set. I also have another one of these collapsible straw things. So, and then here's another one of those fiber optic filament light things. It's a battery operated. You just turn it on and it lights up. Okay, so that is all that was in this bulk box. So I know my bulk box isn't empty, but I didn't want to put any more on the table to kind of mess everything up because I've got kind of a precarious situation here. So a lot of household stuff. The nice thing is a lot of this will be able to be resold. Some of it I'll probably, based on condition, I'll put it on eBay and list it as used and then put all the condition notes in it. Like this one, this stainless steel copper pan I can see right now is dented, and so this will probably go on eBay and not Amazon. And I can list, you know, that the bottom is fine, but this is dented, and, you know, just discount it dramatically. So if you see anything you like, please let me know. I'd love to just set up a PayPal transaction. All I need is your email address, and then I can ship it off to you. That's how I can do the PayPal transaction, and then your regular address to ship it. But if you see anything here you like, and also behind me, I have all of this for sale on hookedonpickin.com, and I've also got like the clothing on Poshmark. This is a really cute outfit that I've got. And I've also got stuff on my Amazon store and my eBay store. But most of this is on Poshmark, hookedonpickin.com, and eBay. So if you check those 3 places, you'll be able to find what you want. If you can't find anything, put something down in the description. Sorry, I just dropped one of those pineapple things. Put something down in the description. And I will help you. I'll put the link to you if you can't find the item you want. So hopefully this has been helpful to see what you can get from a bulq.com unboxing. And I'm going to try to do a breakdown and tell you where I'm going to sell a lot of these things in my part 2 results video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.